pushing up the hill, searching for the thrill of it. All along, we are calling out now to get, never looking down, I'm just
So, baby.
So proud to be here.
Yeah, this place is incredible.
We're absolutely stoked to be here as a major sponsor.
Thanks Chapman for hosting us tonight.
It's pretty amazing. We've only just arrived, but how impressive is this place? Really good to get everyone together and support the whole industry.
We are so excited.
No one's ever done this before.